Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you how to fix Android phone not fully charging. Now, charging Android phones is basically a repetitive task every day, because we use mobile phones to surf the internet and make calls every day. For the work that needs to be done every day, it will be extremely annoying if it cannot be charged normally or cannot be fully charged. Some users will complain that no matter how long they try to charge their Android phones, they won't fully charge, which may cause us some cost burden. Therefore, before going for repair, please watch this video patiently, hoping to help you solve the problem of Android phone is not fully charging. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Why is my Android phone not fully charging? Before we start to solve the problem of not being able to fully charge, we must first understand the cause of the problem. 1. Android phone overheating. Overheating of the phone may cause battery damage. 2. Using the phone while charging. The reason for not being able to fully charge may be using the phone while charging. 3. Unsuitable charger. An unsuitable charger may also cause Android phone isn't fully charging. 4. Low power supply voltage. Low power supply voltage can also cause Android phone is not charging to 100%. 5. Dirty or damaged charging port. The charging port on the phone may be dirty, blocked or damaged, causing the charger to not connect properly. 6. Running too many applications in the background can also cause Android phone to not be fully charged. 7. Battery failure. Problems with the battery itself or shortened lifespan may cause it to not be fully charged. The above are some reasons why Android phone battery won't fully charge. So now the question is, how to fix Android phone battery not fully charging? We have found several simple and efficient fixes to fix the problem of Android phone won't charge to 100%. Finally, if you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to use the correct charging device. When your Android phone battery won't fully charge, you should first check your charging device. We recommend that you try to always use a charging device that is suitable for your phone. Each charger and USB data cable has corresponding specifications. Please carefully understand the mobile phone charging device that is compatible with your Android phone model. If you need to change the charging device, please check whether it matches your Android phone first. Using the right charging equipment can also help extend the life of your Android phone battery. Method 2 is to remove the phone case to dissipate heat. Android device cases are great for protecting your phone, but they can also trap heat from the device while charging or using it, causing the Android phone to overheat and the Android phone battery is not charging to 100%. So, if your Android phone is using a case, remove the case first and place it in a cool location. This will allow the heat generated by the device to dissipate into the air, cooling the phone and the phone battery. And if you are using your phone while charging, take a break from using it, as your Android device will also dissipate a lot of heat during use. This is also one of the sources of Android phone battery is not fully charging. Wait until the phone is fully charged before using it. Method 3 is to check the charging port. The charging port on your phone may be dirty, clogged, or damaged, preventing the charger from connecting properly. This problem can also prevent the Android phone from charging properly. So check the charging port for any debris or lint. If so, you can use a soft brush or compressed air to carefully clean the charging port to solve the charging problem. Method 4 is to change the charging location. In daily life, many users use power extension sockets to charge their devices at the same time. But sometimes this slows down the charging speed, and the output power of the power extension socket may be lower than when the Android phone is plugged directly into the wall socket. When your Android phone is charging in the extension socket and cannot be fully charged, plug your charging device directly into the wall socket, and then wait patiently for the phone to charge again. Method 5 is to turn off background applications. If multiple resource-intensive applications are running in the background, it may cause the phone to heat up. This consumes a lot of battery power, making it seem that your Android phone battery isn't fully charging. At this time, clear your background applications one by one or all of them to prevent further battery consumption and reduce device stress. You can clear background running programs in the way you are used to. The Samsung phone in the video uses the lower left button to display all background programs, and then clear all background applications. Method 6 is to restart your Android phone. If your Android phone doesn't charge to 100%, restarting may help solve this problem. Sometimes, software glitches may cause charging problems. Restarting will close all current processes and clean up free space, and it can also speed up the cooling of the battery. Please try the following steps to restart your phone. Please press and hold the power button until the restart icon appears directly, and then click the restart icon. Finally, wait for the phone to restart and wait for it to be fully charged. If the problem of not being able to fully charge is solved after the restart, and the problem reappears after opening an application, you can try to uninstall and reinstall the application. Method 7 is to restore the factory settings. Our Android phones usually store the data and functions we need, which makes our lives easy. But if the data is corrupted or virus carrying, or the files that take up too many system resources are stored and malfunction, this may also cause Android phone not fully charging. If this is the cause of the problem, we recommend that you restore the Android phone to factory settings. Restoring the factory settings will erase all the data in the phone, so if necessary, make sure to back up anything important before continuing. To restore the Android phone to factory settings, first click on the phone's settings, enter the settings, find and click General Management, find the Reset option in the General Management interface, click the Reset option, find and click Restore Factory Settings. At this point, your Android phone should restart automatically. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the phone restarts, you will need to set it up again like a new phone. Then charge the Android phone again and check if it can be fully charged. Method 8 is to seek help from a professional. If the Android phone battery is not charging to full capacity, problem still exists after trying all the above methods, you will need to visit the official service center of the phone. Let their technicians help you to dig deeper and fix your problem. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.